When Stella first said that she wanted to start singing, she had no experience. You know, she sang a little bit at home.
I would say I had about the singing level of like a dying cow.
Like, okay, let's find a voice class. When I contacted you, you said everyone has a voice and you work with people of all levels, and then we started.
So we were doing this Dear Evan Hansen song, and then I was drinking at the water fountain. A girl came up to me and she was like, "You sound like Lady Gaga." And I was like, "Thank you."
It's true. I mean, she's done these little like productions at school, and she really stands out. That's huge.
Well, I think Young Singers Academy is so unique. We combine the music literacy and the foundational skills with meeting the kids where they are and allowing them to sing what it is they love to sing, but teaching them how to do it in a healthy way that they're going to be able to grow, develop, and sustain as they get older. Starting them on that track of healthy, accessible technique from a young age is just going to serve them so much more down the line.
I really believe that children are just the most incredible learners. When they start learning proper technique or the most healthy and efficient way to use their body from when they're little, then they have all that time to really spend developing it. They reap the benefits from when they're a little kid of learning how to do whatever they want to do with their voice.
So you have private voice lessons and you also have group lessons. The main difference is probably the community. A lot of the students here, they go to school together, you know, the parents get to know each other. It's not always like that. Vielka really goes the extra mile to do events like today where we have an end of the year recital and all the parents and the students get together.
Well, I think the reason that I joined Young Singers Academy really is because it's fun. I think this is the perfect place to actually just express yourself with singing. And then Vielka can help you with basically anything.
My senior year at Manhattan School of Music, I was in the outreach program and started a choir in Harlem. I just realized how amazing it was to use my voice to help other people find their voice. I started Young Singers Academy because I wanted to create really simplified, meaningful, modern voice instruction for kids and teens that is conservatory level training. I really want to be able to give everyone the gift of knowing how to use their voice in a way that will last them their lifetime. And there aren't that many things out there that I feel you can say that about, but this really will. When you are ready to join us, we will be absolutely thrilled. All you have to do is to go to our form here on the website. Let us know some information about your child, how old they are, what their interests are, what their background is in terms of sports and music. Step 2, we'll do a discovery call where you will speak with me, where I can, again, just make sure that we have all the facts straight. If there's anything else that you want to know, anything we need to know to just pair you up with the right person who can really speak with your child. Thank you so much for investing this time into your child's learning and musical growth. This is a gift that will just keep on giving in ways that you've never even expected.